Hi everybody, it's Duncan from McRae's Window Cleaning, and here it is on Friday the 27th, and Brisbane is 2 weeks into the restrictions based on COVID-19, and yes, it's having an impact on window cleaning services. But still, despite that, I'm here at a residential client that is a regular client, and we're able to get things going for them and look after their home. So how are we able to do that? Well, I'm going to take you for a little walk around and discuss how, if that's what you need, is some window cleaning services. Hey, after all, if we're going to be locked down, maybe you just need some externals, enjoy some bright, sparkling, clean windows. Why not talk about it? So how are we going to accomplish that despite the COVID-19 restrictions? Well, let me show you what we got on today. So just to give you a little walk around of the house I'm doing here, this is a regular client. This gentleman has a severe disability, but he's still able to go to work, which is really amazing. He's a great guy in a wheelchair, but on a regular basis I come past and do the windows. And so we've got all these externals to do. As you can see, there's security screens, fly screens on the front, and this house has just recently had pest control, so the windows are pretty filthy, but and he can't handle that. So we're going around here, we're going to do the external part of the windows. Of course, since I was last here, they've got a new deck out the back, so this is what we've got. So it's a regular place. We're going to go inside. I've got the access to the home. We're able to do both inside and out of the house, and that enables us to still continue to service our customers despite the restrictions. Here at myself, Duncan, at McRae's Window Cleaning, we've got the certification through the Queensland Health on dealing with infection control, particularly the COVID-19, so we understand the procedures, so we're able to still provide that service, even though it's on a limited scale. So I hope that helps you understand. Sounds like the security is registering that I'm here, which is fine. They know that I'm here. So I hope everyone's doing okay. It's a tough time, and we hope that the lockdown, whether in Australia or overseas, if you see this in another country, doesn't affect you too much. Let's just try and smile, and maybe we need to do some other skills, use our other skills to be able to continue our business. So everyone, just take care, try and stay calm. It is going to be difficult, but let's just work through and follow the directions, suggestions that are required. The great thing about me doing this place is there's no one home. Social distancing issues aren't a problem. But I just hope that everyone stays well, that you don't have to face the disease. But if you can just work through day by day and not let the economic pressures get you down too much. I think my heart goes out to those who've already had to shut their business down. McRae's Window Cleaning may have to do that. We'll just see. But in the meantime, everyone take care, and we'll talk to you soon.